There we go. All right, very good. So as I was saying, for us to build a website, it is very important for us to have a domain and a hosting. But for the purpose of this class, I don't want us to do any of that. I don't want us to have to spend money to buy hosting and buy domain. So that is why we are installing XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. It will set up a local server on your system. The local server engine that is using it is Apache, and also the database engine we are using is MySQL. That is why when you successfully install your XAMPP, you are going to see Apache and MySQL there. All right. So I'll be sharing my screen now so that I can show you all the processes involved in downloading your XAMPP and then installing the XAMPP. Of course, I'm not going to install the XAMPP because it will take a while. I'm just going to tell you that, okay, pretty much from here you just press okay, enter, and then you are good to go. All right. So also you will need to download WordPress. I'm going to show you guys now. Let me. Oh, and first of all, I have to say a very big kudos to there is a guy that has been helping people very much on the group. I've forgotten his name. I don't know his name. Is his name Kingsley? Or I mean, very good kudos to you. You know yourself. If you're on this call, a very big kudos to you.
Kayode Fit.
Sorry.
Kayode Fit.
Okay, Kayode. Okay, very good.
Please.
Kayode, very big kudos to you. Keep up the good work. Keep helping people. That is what this is about. We share knowledge and we help each other grow. That is very amazing. All right, very good. So let's continue. I'm going to share my screen now. Let me know if you can see my screen. And you guys, if you are pinning anyone to your to your screen, try as much. Okay, Kayode Faith, I think he just joined right now. Kayode Faith, we have been praising you since morning. Thank you for helping people on the group. All right, thank you for helping people on the group. Okay, very good. I'm going to present my screen now so that you guys can see. Nice. Let me know when you can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, very good. If you are not pinning my
Me, I
screen,
cannot see you. I can't.
it means you are pinning someone else. Please just unpin whosoever you
Okay,
are
okay,
pinning.
I can.
No, I cannot see it too.
If you can't see my screen, it's because you are pinning someone else to your to your screen. Just unpin that person and you will see my screen. Do you understand? Or you can just go ahead and pin me to your screen. All right, pin me to your screen. This is the pinning. So just go ahead and pin me to your screen so that you can see my screen. Okay, so we need to download XAMPP and we need to download Apache. Sorry, we need to download WordPress. So if you check out the link that I sent to your attendance mail, you are going to see the link to download Apache to download XAMPP for Windows, and also download XAMPP for 64-bit Windows, and also for 64 or for 32 bits. Jacob, we've already started, and also for 32-bit system. Do you understand? So just go ahead and download XAMPP. Then after you've downloaded your XAMPP, just go ahead with the normal installation process. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone, please. Mute your microphone. Alright, just go ahead with the normal installation process, and try immediately after the installation is done. Try and click on Start on Apache and MySQL. You should have a screen that looks like this. You should have a screen that looks like this. So just click on, you will see Apache and MySQL. Click on Start. This is how it's going to be. Just click on Start on Apache and click on Start on MySQL. So if you have everything correctly running and there is no red alert, there's no red colored message, and then you are good to go. But if there is a red colored message, please just send it to the group so that we can help you fix it. So there are some of you that you are going to be having port issues. Some of you will be having Some of you will be having port issues, some of you will be having some other issues, but we are here to help you. Do you understand? Any issue you're facing, just put it on the group so that we can help you. So I'm going to assume that most of us are done installing XAMPP, because that is what we should do. I'm going to assume that we've installed our XAMPP and it is correctly running. Just go ahead and download WordPress as well. I'm going to download WordPress. Go to WordPress. Go to WordPress, WordPress.org. Right, just go to WordPress.org. Then when you get to WordPress.org, you're going to click on Get WordPress. I've already sent the link where you can get the latest WordPress. I think currently right now it is WordPress 5.6. They just upgraded it to WordPress 5.6. I'm even about to Alright, so just go ahead and download WordPress 5.6 here. You're going to get a zip file. Just go ahead and download. Click on download. Alright. Okay. WordPress is already downloading. It's already downloading. Oh, multiple downloads. Let me just pause one of them. Okay, very good. So then after you finish downloading WordPress, it's going to save on your computer as a zip file. Please mute your microphone.
So I take one.
Please mute your mic. Akombi Taiwo, please mute your microphone. Oh God, mute your microphone. Alright, please guys, mute your microphone. So after you're done doing that, Samuel Layemi, please, you are presenting your screen. Please stop presenting. Okay, very good. So as I was saying, okay, can anyone hear me? We just started. Can everyone? I hope everyone can hear me. Please, just try as much as possible to follow through with the class.
Yes.
Okay, very good. I'm operating under the assumption that you've already installed your XAMPP, because that is what I ask you guys to do. Download XAMPP and install it. It is very simple to do. It is very, very simple to do. Download XAMPP and install it. Xander Graphics, please mute your microphone. Okay, very good. So from here, download WordPress, and after you finish downloading your WordPress, then you should have. Okay, don't worry about WordPress right now. Just keep it downloaded. Keep the zip file, and then after you have your XAMPP installed, you should have a platform like this. You should have a control panel like this. Click on Start on Apache. Click on Start on MySQL. But if you have installed it before and you mistakenly close this page, you mistakenly close it and you don't know where to find it anymore. Let me tell you where you can get it. Go to your Windows Explorer. Go to this computer. Your normal this computer folder. Go to your local disk. Then when you open your local disk, if you have XAMPP installed, you should have a new folder here that says XAMPP here. Just open your XAMPP folder, and then you're going to see a couple of files here. Just scroll to the bottom. You are going to see an application that says XAMPP control. XAMPP control here. You can see that XAMPP control.exe. XAMPP control.exe. Just go ahead and click on it. Just double click on it. When you double click on it, it's going to open up that that application. That is the application. Just double click on it and it's going to open up exactly. Do you see it right now? So you just click on start, and then you have it correctly running. So if you have it correctly running, what I need you to do is to open your browser. Just open up a browser. And just type localhost. Just localhost. Can you guys see this? Localhost. Just type localhost and click on enter. And if you are on the same screen with me right now, it is still loading. If you get this screen, then we are on the same page. If you get this screen with me, this XAMPP Apache welcome page, if you have this welcome to Apache XAMPP whatever, then you are good to go. So just what you need to do is to go to your browser and type just localhost. Let me just send it to the chat line. Localhost. Just type localhost alone, all together like this. Just type localhost all together like this. Then you should be good to go. All right, you should be good to go. Oh, and I want to mention something before we continue, but let us finish this section. So after you put localhost, then you are good to go. And you have this screen, then yes, congratulations to you. You are good to go. Do you understand? So the next step is I want to teach you how you can install WordPress. I'm going to teach you how you can install WordPress so that you can start running. Do you understand? So something very important that I must mention: when you go back to your XAMPP folder, you know how to navigate to your XAMPP folder. From this computer, open this computer, you're going to see XAMPP. Open XAMPP, and then this is your XAMPP folder. All right. Then I want you to open something. I want you to open htdocs. You're going to see htdocs here. Just open htdocs. So when you open htdocs, for you nothing will be here. Actually, just a couple of things will be here. Maybe dashboard.
You are going too fast.
Sorry, please. If you want to see anything, just go to the chat line and type it there. Do you understand? Just go to the chat line and type it there. I'm going to call on you to talk. Do you understand? And if I'm too fast, I'm sorry. We have a lot of stuff to do, but no problem. I'm going to reiterate after I'm done with the first part. I'm going to go over it very quickly so that you can get it. All right. So let's try as much as possible to try and keep up. But most importantly, there is something I want to tell you guys. Please, I don't want to forget. But let me finish this section first. So as I was saying, just open your htdocs. When you open your htdocs, this is where most of your website files will be living. This htdocs is a very, very, very important folder. Do you understand? All your website file will be here. Just put that at the back of your mind. All right. So before we proceed, I need to tell you something. I need to show you a couple of things. Some of the things that you will be able to do by the ending of this class. I just want to show you some couple of what you can do with WordPress. I hope you guys can see my screen. You can unmute your microphone and you can unmute and talk at this point. You can make comments and other stuff. I just want to show you some things that you can do with WordPress. So check this out. Some of the previous works that I've done and I've gotten paid with it. Check this out. This is a website for a dry cleaning service in Port Harcourt. Do you understand? It's the website for a dry cleaning service in Port Harcourt. That was where I had my service, so I had some of those clients in PH. All right. You can do this with WordPress.
So you're actually breaking up.
Okay, I am breaking up.
Sir.
Am I breaking up? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Just that the first part where you say localhost, is it dot something?
No, dot nothing. It's not dot anything. Just localhost.
Okay.
Okay.
You're actually breaking up for
Oh, okay. Am I still breaking up?
No. Maybe to some people.
Oh, maybe it's your network then, because my network
is not true. I have gotten to that page.
Oh, okay.
Good evening, Big Sam.
Yeah, good evening.
This is how it's. Why is it that you can't share your screen? I think it would be better for people to follow up the meeting if you can share your screen and just.
I'm currently sharing my screen. Maybe you are pinning someone else. I'm currently sharing my screen. A lot of people are looking at my screen right now. A lot of people are seeing my screen right now. Do you understand? What you need to do is that maybe you are pinning someone else. Just unpin that person that you are pinning so that you can see my screen. I am currently sharing my screen. Do you understand?
Big Sam. Big Sam.
Okay, it's been solved. Thank you very much.
Big Sam, please, are you recording?
Yes, I am recording.
Thank you very much,
so this is, as I was saying, this is a website. Okay, just listen, guys, listen. This is a website I made for a dry cleaning service, and I got paid about I think about a little bit above 100K to do this. And also check this out. This is a website for an hotel, Millennium Hotel. The name of the hotel is called Millennium Hotel. It is in Port Harcourt, and then you can actually, you can check available rooms, and you can pick dates, check availability, and all those stuffs. It's some pretty, pretty deep stuff. It is interesting. You can do booking and some serious backend stuffs. Let me show you. Pretty slick stuffs. And also, this is for a delivery company. This is for a delivery company in Port Harcourt. This is for a delivery company in Port Harcourt. All right, you can see this is my face right here as a testimonial. Do you understand? Some pretty solid stuff. And also, this is an e-commerce website. All right, please. Who is that? What do you want? Okay, someone talking.
Please, are you recording it?
I'm recording.
Yeah, please. Are you recording it? Because I'm on the road now, and I'm not comfortable
recording. No
driving.
problem.
I want to
recording.
quit, so maybe like
I'm recording.
Okay,
please,
thank
everybody,
you,
now mute your microphone. I'm recording. Don't worry. I'm recording.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Okay, thank you.
Please, guys, mute your microphone now. Everybody, mute your
There's
microphone.
no reason why I understand this thing, really.
Please, everybody, mute your microphone. Mute your microphone now. Please mute your microphone. If your microphone is not muted, I'm going to ban you from this call. I'm going to remove you from this call. Please mute your microphone now. Everybody, please mute your microphone. All right. Mute your microphone, please, guys. Okay, very good. Now check this out. This is an e-commerce website. Do you understand? I actually got this from a foreign client. I got this gig from a foreign client, and I got about $1,500 for this. Calculate that in naira. You should know the you should know the amount that is in naira. Do you understand? So this is a very lucrative skill, guys. This is a very lucrative skill. If you can master this can pay your bills for the rest of your life. Do you understand? So it's some pretty solid thing. Can you see how beautiful this website is? See how beautiful this thing is. All right, and you also have a very nice shop page and other stuff. We have a very nice shop page and other stuff. It's pretty solid. Do you understand? So this is an e-commerce website. This is an e-commerce website. If this is only what you can do, this will pay your bills for the rest of your life. Do you understand? And also look at this one as well. Look at this one as well. This one is also there. So you can see this one has a video background. If you look at it very well, you see that it's a video background. A video is playing in the background. So yeah, that's beautiful. I just want to show you a couple of things that you will be able to do. All right, so let's continue with the class. As I was saying, when you get into your htdocs folder, this is your htdocs folder. I want you to go. Remember that you downloaded WordPress. What I need you to do is to go to your wherever that WordPress zip file is. Go there. It will probably be in your download folder. I want you to copy that WordPress zip file. Copy that file wherever it is. Do you understand? After you copy that WordPress website, wherever that WordPress zip file, wherever it is, come to this computer and enter into your your local disk, enter into your XAMPP, and enter into your htdocs and paste it there. Paste that WordPress zip file there. This is my own WordPress zip file. I already pasted it here. Do you understand? Paste it there. Are you guys with me? How many of you are with me right now? Have you pasted yours? I want to wait a little bit. Have you pasted yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Okay, very good. Please, and don't unmute your microphone to talk. Just put it in the chat line. Anything you want to do, just type it. Do you understand, guys? Please type anything you want to say. Please just type it. All right? Okay, thank you very much. Just type anything you want to say, so that this class will not be distracted. Remember that we are recording it, so that it won't be frustrating to watch. All right, very good. Now make sure you copy that. That's your zip file. Copy it and paste it into into your XAMPP into your htdocs folder. So go ahead and right click on it and extract it. Right click on it and click on extract to WordPress 5.53 or WordPress 6 or whatever. Just extract. After you extract it, just give it a while to extract. Just give it a while to extract. Let me re-extract mine. I've already extracted mine, but let me re-extract mine. Do you understand? Yeah. So you'll see it is still extracting right now. Let us give it a while to finish extracting. So after it is, after the extraction process is done, you are going to get another folder. You are going to get a folder with the extracted files. Do you understand? Now this step is very, very important. You are going to get the folder with the extracted files. Please, this is very important. All right, everything is extracting right now. You are going to get a folder with the extracted files, and that is what you need. All right. Now you're going to get a new folder. WordPress 5.5.3. You understand? There will be another folder inside called WordPress. Just open it. Now you see this bunch of files. What I need you to do is to press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Press Ctrl A to highlight everything. All right. I'm trying to go slow here. Ctrl A to highlight everything and Ctrl C to copy all. Just copy everything right now. Just copy everything. Then after you are done copying everything, go back to htdocs. Let me pause a little bit for you guys to catch up. Let me pause a little bit so that you guys can catch up. All right, I'm going to pause a little bit so that you guys can catch up. All right. Then after you are done, what I need you to do is to after you are done with that, what I need you to do is to create a folder. Just create a folder. Create another folder here. Just create a folder. What is the name of your website? What do you want to call your website? Whatever it is you want to call your website, what is the name of that website? Just call it. And let's say I want to create a website and I want to call it Big Sam. I want to call it Big Sam. Do you understand? That's the name of your website. Whatever it is, just create a new folder. Then after you create a new folder, call it the name of your website, Big Sam. And I press enter and save that. Save that folder. Now open your newly created folder. Remember all those files that you copied the other time? Just paste everything here. Do you understand? Paste everything here. Very good. So this is going to take a while to finish pasting. Before that, let me now share what I said I want to share with you guys. Let me share with you guys. Okay. So this is actually very important, and I need everybody to listen and listen good. Okay. Okay, very good. Let me pull it up right here. Now, I need to tell you guys that I have an advanced course on web design on Nova University here. Do you understand? And currently now the course is 20k. Do you understand? Now, the reason why the course is 20k is that when I created the course, I was working with these guys. This was where I did my NYSC, and then I used their equipment, and then in partnership with them, we created that course. Do you understand? This is me here. NYSC digital marketing. This is me here. Do you understand? So I was working with Olusu Square. This is my boss and this is my boss. These are the bosses. Do you understand? And this is my colleague. We were working together, and then I created the course. We created the course together, and then we decided to sell it for 20k then, and we put it on Nova University, my platform. So the point is that after about and this course is fucking loaded. Sorry for using the word fucking, but it is seriously loaded. Do you understand? Let me show you some of the things that are there. All right, it has about 61. It has about 61 total lectures, and we currently have about 630 362 students. Do you understand? That is in total. Then this is based on the partnership that I have with these guys. And also it is you will also get a certificate once you are done. You can add it to your CV, and let me show you some of the beautiful things that are there. How you can create a website from the scratch, installing WordPress localhost. This is where we are right now. How to use WordPress on localhost. This is what I'm currently teaching you guys now. And then after that, there are serious other lectures there. how you can use, all those sweet automatic emails that you are getting, your attendance email. This is where you can learn to create something like that. And the biggest banger, one of the greatest things that I love about this course is I also taught you guys how you can create sales chat robots. Chat robots, all those chat robots that you are going to see on people's websites. This is actually how I convince my clients, because I tell them that, okay, I can build chat robots and I can put it inside your website, such that even when you are not there, your chat robots will be chatting with your clients. And that's one of the reasons why my work converts so very much, because I just put this as an add-on into your website and it works well. And this is not even the point. If you are just hoping to just create your own website for your own business, maybe this is not really for you. You might not really, but if you want to make money with this, if you really, really, really want to make money with this, I would seriously recommend this for you. Do you understand? Because this is what I do to really, really, fly my business. Because someone came to my DM the other time and told me that the hardest part of it is to get clients. And I told the person that, okay, how the person was asking me, how is he going to get clients for his business once he's done learning this? How is he going to get people that will start paying him and all that kind of stuff? I said, okay, that's actually the easiest part. The easiest part in the sense that I don't have to do any job. I don't have to do any serious work in order to look for clients. This is what I do. Let me show you something very, very amazing. This will blow your mind. I use online advertisement, Facebook advertisement, and then I place advertisement on Facebook. Advertisements like this. Look at this. Check this out. This is a copy of my advertisement that I'm running on Facebook, and then this can show to anyone I want. If I want this to show to people in America, let me play it for you. Hope you can see this. Alright, so you get the point. I place advertisement like this and I put it on Facebook, and I will just sit down and clients will be calling me from all over the world, because I get work from people in America, from people in Canada, and anywhere I just want. I just target those people and then they will call me and then I do work for them. This particular one that I'm showing you, this one that you are looking at, the person that gave it to me, that person is in America. I got the person from America. Do you understand? And the person gave me $1,500. Calculate that in naira and know how much it is. $1,500 in naira then was about I'm not sure. I wasn't sure what the exchange rate is, but base it on today's exchange rate and multiply it and see how much that is. And all I had to do was just buy this domain, standout.com, and I bought it for about $10. Do you understand? Which was kind of like a massive amount of profit for me. All right. But the point is, this is actually what I wanted to do with this program. This is actually what I wanted to do. I want to train as much people as possible to be able to do this thing, so that, because I have a lot of things I'm doing, I have a lot of businesses I'm running. I also, own a design agency called Eden's Digital. I don't know if you guys have checked it out. EdensDigital.com. This is me. This is my company as well, EdensDigital.com. All right. Let me pull it up. Real quick. Okay. While that is still loading, hope you guys still hear me? Okay, very good. So while that is still loading, let me tell you something that is extremely amazing. I told you that my platform, Nova University, I applied for what's it called? I applied for Union Bank's Rise Challenge, and I got a little bit of sponsorship money, to be able to help people learn these skills, and that has actually made a very, very big room for a lot of discounts for just a limited amount of people. So with this sponsorship, I've been able to. I have a dream of getting these skills to just about 70 people. That money can only cover 70 people at a discount rate of 84% discount. You understand? Which means it will be able to take my course from it will be able to take that course from 20 it will be able to take it from 20,000 naira that you are seeing here, and it will take it to about 5,430 naira. When I calculated it, to be able to reach about just 70 people, Union Bank just gave me some amount of money, and I decided to use that to, so that these guys, you remember that I'm working with these guys on that course. So just a little above 5,000, about 5,400 and something. So which means just 10 guys. So I'm doing it 10 10 10 per person, 10 per class. So the first class I gave access to 10 people to join, second class 10 people, so which means the discount is only open to 10 persons. So I've created a discount code such that when you apply the discount code here, it's going to take the price from 20,000 that it is. It's going to take it to just 5,200 or 5,430. Do you understand? So when you go to view cart, let me just show you real quick. When you go to view cart, you can just place this is the promo code. I'm actually not going to, let me just remove the promo code here. So when you put the promo code and you apply the coupon, it's going to take the price from 20,000 naira, and then it's going to check it out. It's going to change it to, can you see, 5,430. But this is only available to just 10 people. Just 10 people, please. Just 10 people. The first 10 persons to make payments we get the discount. Here's the thing: it has been automatically programmed. Once the 10th person makes payment, it will stop working. Do you understand? It will stop working. Only 10 people can get it. All right. So and the point is that after you are done taking my course, and I know that I can trust you, that you are good enough, what I'm planning to do is to add you to my group, my special mentorship group, so that we are going to be working together. If I will teach you everything, like everything I know about web design, and when I have a job, I can just give it to some of you to do, and then we can split the profits. Let's say I get a job for $1,500, or maybe probably 300,000 naira or something. You can do the job and you can take maybe 200k. I will take 100k, so which is still a win for me. I'm not doing anything. You are the one doing all the job, and you are getting 200, which is kind of like a win-win situation. I have the platform, I have the company, I have the reputation. This is my company. You can see this is my name, Olubayosam. You can see Olubayosam Edens Digital. I have the reputation, I have the clients, I know the clients. I negotiate the deals, I get the job, and then you do the work, and then we split the money. Do you understand? You take like 200k, I take like 100k. But I'm not going to do that with you if I don't trust you, if I don't know that you are going to do a good job, because I can't just have you do a bad job for my clients and give me a bad name. Do you understand? So I have to be sure that I am the one that trained you, and you can work very well. And you are even in my mentorship group every single Friday. Let me show you my mentorship group on WhatsApp. Let me show you web design. Right now I have about, only people that are in this mentorship group, they are guys that have qualified, that they've finished the course, so they are the ones in this mentorship group. Check it out here. This is my mentorship group. I think it is still loading here because of network or something. It's still loading. I have about 35 guys here. I teach them every Friday. I get on a live call with them, and then I talk to them every Friday, and I teach them everything I know. Do you see? These are the guys in my mentorship group. All of them, they finished my course. All right. So I teach them everything that I know. And just last week, one of them got a job worth of 110,000 naira, and then she actually got it, and then I mentored her on how she can do it, and how she can properly build the client and something. So this is kind of like just the beginning of our journey together. If you decide to take this journey with me, that's the beginning of our journey. I'm ready to hold you by the hand and take you where you need to go. So if you are a web designer, because I've noticed that if you're a graphic designer, you should be seeing the value in this. Because I've noticed that most of the people that really complete my course, most of them are guys that are graphic designers. You understand? That has anything to do with design. So if you're a graphic designer or a web, you should know the value in this. And this is not even if you are previously a web designer, you should see this is not just about just web design alone. It's about learning the business in the web design, because the last part of the course teaches you how you can get clients with how you can get clients with digital marketing, how you can place Facebook ads and all that kind of stuff. So um, I will drop a link where you can get the coupon code, and where you can apply it. And I really hope you are part of those 10 people. Immediately the 10th person apply the code, it stops working. I will drop it after this class, not after today. I'll drop it tomorrow after tomorrow's class. But by God's grace, by the ending of this class, this free class that we are doing, you'll be able to create something as beautiful as this. Do you understand? You'll be able to create something very, very worthwhile. Do you understand? Maybe something not robust like this, or like this one, that has a lot of, not this one, but you'll be able to create something very good. At least something like this. You'll be able to create something like this. All right. So let's continue. I hope you guys are still with me. Are you guys asleep? How many of you guys are asleep?
We're still with you.
Okay, very good. So let's
We're still
continue.
with you. I'm with you.
No.
Okay, very good. So by now, I'm still recording the class. Don't worry. So by now, by God's grace, your this thing should be done copying here. All right. So what I need you to do is to open your browser. After you open your browser, go to a new folder, a new tab. Open a new tab and type in localhost / the name of your website. My own website name is Big Sam. Remember, that's the name of my website. And click on enter. Do you understand? Localhost / let me show you. Let me type it here. Okay. Let me put it in the chat line. Localhost. Just put localhost / Big Sam. Please, if you want to see anything, just let me know. Okay, very good. Just put something like this, localhost / Big Sam. But this will be the name of your, the name of your website. Do you understand? Then after you've done that, just click on enter. Don't worry, it will take a while to load. It takes a while to load. Then after it finishes loading, then you should have a screen like this that says you should select the language. Of course, you are going to select English language. Do you understand? If you are following through with me, you are going to select English language, and then you're going to click on continue. And then something important will pop up. It will ask you that you need to connect to a database. Yes, remember I told you that we are using a database called MySQL. Do you understand? You are going to connect with a database. All right. What I need you to do is to open up another tab and type localhost / php my admin. php my admin. Please mute your microphone, guys. I'm recording feedback from someone. Please mute your microphone or don't worry. Alright. Okay, very good. Just do php my admin, localhost / php my admin, and click on enter. Immediately after you click on enter, you are going to have it load up like this. Don't worry, it might take a while for it to load up. Here we are going to go and we want to create a database and tie it with our WordPress account. Now it's kind of like the usefulness. Let me explain in a very, very layman's term. The usefulness of the database is such that everything you are going to be doing, you are going to be saving files, you are going to be saving images, you are going to be saving a lot of stuff, a lot of data. Let me just say data in particular. Do you understand? You're going to be saving a lot of data on your website, and you need something like a memory card, something like a memory engine. Do you understand? Something like a database engine to be able to hold all that. So we want to go and create a database for this our website. So what you need to do is to go to php my admin, localhost / php my admin. When you get here, you won't have a lot of stuffs here. Me, I've created some. That's why I had some of my stuffs here. So what you need is to click on new. So after you click on new, I just want you to name it anything. You can name it anything you like, but most of the time what I do is that I name my database, I name it a name that is closer or related to the website I'm building. If I'm building a website for corporate cleaners, you see I name my database corporate cleaners. This is the database for corporate cleaner. This is another one for delivery, for e-commerce, for Eden's Digital, Google Foods, and all those kind of stuff. So what I need you to do is to do the same thing. Do the same thing. So I'm just going to name this. I'm going to give it Big Sam DB. Big Sam database, Big Sam DB. Do you understand? That is the database name. The database name. Just click on create. Now come back here to your WordPress tab. We need the database name, database username, database password, and database host. Right now we've created our database name. Do you understand? Wait, just click on let's go here. Click on let's go. Do you understand? So here, put your database name, Big Sam DB. Do you understand? Then after you've done that, now we need username and password. Now, in order to do that, come back here. So you are here. You've already created Big Sam DB. This is Big Sam DB. You already created it. You are inside Big Sam DB right now. What I need you to do is to click on privileges. You will see privileges here. Click on privileges. All right. How many of you guys are following me? Are you guys following me? Are you guys following me? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, very good, very good. This is good. So just click on Big Sam. Click on Big Sam DB, and this is where your user your usernames will be. But your own, you are not going to have a lot of username. But me, the reason why I have a lot of usernames here is because I've created some couple of ones. But what you can do is to create new. So when you get to this place, just scroll down and you will see add new here. Just click on add new. After you add new, under username, I want you to put whatever username you like. You can use any username, but me, I used to put something that is very related to what I'm doing. I'll put Big Sam user. Do you understand? Just put Big Sam user, or you can just put anything. So my username is Big Sam user. You copy that. Copy that and go and paste it where username is. Paste it where username is. And also we need to set a password right now. So go ahead. Okay, now we have host name from any host. Change it from any host.
Excuse me, sir. Please, can you come again?
Please mute your microphone. All right. Change host name from host name. Change it to local. Make sure it says local host here. And then password. Just put any password you like. I'm going to put a password. Do you understand? Put a password and retype your password. Okay, very good. Then after you've done that, come back here. So that password, whatever password you put it here. That's my own password, Olalekon. And the database host is localhost. Remember, we changed it to localhost. Just leave this one. Don't touch it. Leave this one alone. Don't touch it. So after you have this, leave it like this. And let's go and save this user. So what you need to do is to come here, global privileges. This global privileges here. Check all. Make sure you check all. If you don't check all, it's not going to work well. It's very, very important that you check all here. Then after you check all, just come over here and click on go. Do you understand? If you click on go and you do everything well, then this should be fine. But my own is showing up errors right now, but don't mind it. I know the reason why it is showing up error. It's a little bit of I need to update my Apache. That's the thing. But there's no problem. Your own should not show error. I can just ignore all error and you will be good to go. Do you understand? You will be good to go. So all you need to do is just to click on submit. Do you understand? So once you click on submit, you should have this. Alright, Sparky, you have made it through this installation part. WordPress can now communicate with your database. So if you successfully get here, congratulations. You can just click on run installation. Alright, run installation. Immediately you click on run installation. Please remember, we are finishing this class by this class by, let's say, 8:15. We're supposed to finish by 8:30, but what the heck, I think we are way ahead of schedule. Let's just finish by 8:15. Do you understand? Let's finish this class by 8:15. Please, I need someone to remind me when exactly it is 8:15. Alright, do you guys get that? Do you get that?
Yes, we did.
Okay, very good. Don't worry, I'm recording the class. Before I sleep today, I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel and I'm going to share it with you so that you guys can follow through. Do you understand? So that you can just follow, you can follow the processes, and you can make sure that you get where we are. Make sure you get where we are before you come to tomorrow's class. All right. So here, if you are on this page, immediately you are on this page, what you need to do is to put your site title. What the hell do you want to put on your site title? Let's say you want to put this is let's say you want to say, you say Big Sam Fashion, or whatever you want to, and then that's your site title, and then your user. Don't worry, just put whatever you like. We can always change this later. Username. Now this username is different from the username you set here. You set here. This is another one. This is when you want to log in into your administrative dashboard. What are you going to use to log in? Do you understand? I'm just going to put username that I can remember. I'm going to put just I already have it. I'm just going to put Big Sam Fashion. I'm going to put Big Sam Fashion. Alright, and I'm going to set a password. Alright, and then confirm the use of weak password if you set a weak password, and put your email address. Olubayosam. After you put your email address, search engine visibility. Don't click on this, just leave this alone. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. If you click on this, when people search for your website on Google, they won't see it. Leave this alone, don't click on it. Of course, nobody will see this one because we are on local host, but then don't click on this, leave it alone. Just click on install WordPress, and just give it a while. It is running installation. It is currently running installation. Just give it a while, and then if you are lucky enough, you are going to get this page. Okay, still loading. Still loading. Okay, very good. If you are lucky enough, you are going to get this page. It's going to tell you success, WordPress has been installed, thank you and enjoy, and other stuff. So this is your username and all. So just click on login. So once you click on login, it's going to take you here where you are going to log in with the new username you just set, Big Sam Fashion, and the new password you just set, and then you can click on remember me, and then you can click on login. And then if everything seems good, you should be redirected to your administrative dashboard that will look like this. If you are here, be jumping up, be happy, clap for yourself. Congratulations, you have just made it to the first section of this course, of this class. Just clap for yourself, you've gotten here, and yeah, this is good. This is very, very good. Alright, this is very good if you have made it up to this point. So what I need you to do, let's make a few housekeeping. Let me show you how our website looks right now. Just come over here and over this Big Sam, this icon, this home icon here. Click on visit site. Once you click on it, this is how your website looks like now. I know it is looking very, very weird and ugly, but then trust me, once we are done with this baby, it's going to look awesome. It's going to look amazing. Do you understand? This is how it is looking right now. Don't worry, by the time we are done with it, it will look very good. Now what I need you to do is to come over here to Big Sam Fashion again. Click it again. You are going to get back to your dashboard. This is your administrative dashboard. This is where you do a lot of editing. Right now it is telling me that WordPress 5.6 is already out, that I should update, but I'm not going to update now. We'll do that later. So after you're done with that, what I need you to do is to come to settings. Let's do a few settings. Come to settings. Once you get to settings, this is where you can change it. Remember, I tell you, come to general. Under general settings, you can change your site, your site title. Remember, I set it as Big Sam Fashion before. I can change it to something else. I can change it to Big Sam Creative. You can just change it to whatever it is you like, but I will leave it as Big Sam Fashion so I can remember very quickly. So tagline, instead of having just another WordPress website, change it to something else, Creative World, and just go ahead and set your time format. You can set the time format that you want, and okay, your time zone, set your time zone to the proper time zone. Our time zone here is UTC +1. Set it and click on save changes. All right, click on save changes. Then after you save changes, then the time will be normally set. The time is currently 7:55, so it's done. So what I need you to do is to go to reading, go to reading, go to reading, and there's really nothing to do in reading right now. We are coming back here. Come to permalinks. Come to permalinks here. Click on permalinks. Then what I need you to do is to click on post name. Select post name. Post name is the best permalink. Then after you've done that, I need you to save changes. I need to save changes. Then after you've saved changes, then let's come back to our dashboard. Very good. We've done we've done all the necessary housekeepings, and yeah, okay, yes, this is good. So what I want to show you right now is how you can install a theme. Let's install a theme. What are themes? There's something called themes, there's something called plugins. You see, themes and plugins, they make our life very, very easy. It is a way beginners like yourself and myself can really, really dive into these stuffs and really build very, very cool, amazing stuffs. Let me show you what I mean. Come to appearance and click on themes. You understand? Once you click on themes, you're going to see these are the themes that are currently installed. These are the ones that are pre-installed with WordPress. When it comes, this is what comes with WordPress. All right. Let me. This is the one that is currently activated now, 2020. That's the name of the theme. All right. If I change it to 2017, if I activate 2017 theme right now, if I activate 2017 themes, you will see what I'm talking about. So 2017 is now currently activated. If you visit your site and you see how it looks right now, you are going to see. You'll see that our website has changed. The whole dynamic of how our website looks like, it has changed. This is how it looks like now. Do you understand? This is how this is how it looks like right now. You can see that themes are good. They change the appearance of our website. They change the dynamics. They are kind of like the basic building block, the building structure of how our big website is going to look like. Do you understand? So yeah, so go back and let me show you how you can install very, very, very good themes. Come back to appearance, go to themes. Then when you get to themes, you can see these are the ones that you have right now, but click on add new. What I need you to do is click on add new right here. You can see add new here. Click on add new. Then after you've clicked on add new, bam, you are going to see a lot of very good people that God will bless them. They have taken their time to create themes for us. Do you understand? People like us that we are still beginners, they've created themes for us that we can use. Like we have thousands of them, like thousands of themes. These are featured themes right now. See this one, see them. We have a lot of them. This one is for an e-commerce website, but most of them are not free. Most of them are paid, and some of them are free as well. Some of them have free version, some of them have paid version. You understand? So these are some of them. Just check them out. This is simplicity, a lot of them, SEO's music, and a lot of things right here, guys. You get the point. Now let me show you. Go to popular themes. Is someone saying something? Oh, okay. Okay. Someone said they are lost. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. The class is being recorded, but you cannot leave. If you leave this class, it's not going to be very good. It's going to be an insult on me, your teacher, that I'm here, and it's going to be, it's going to be an insult on the others that are staying, and I don't think you should leave. All right. So please do not leave. Just try and follow through. The video will be recorded. The video is being recorded and it will be released. If I see people are leaving, I will not release the video. Do you understand? And this is not to threaten in any way, but it's just common courtesy. Do you understand? And apart from that, it will kind of be like a double stuff for you. All right. You should have told me earlier that you are not following so that I can so that I can revamp on it. But it's all good. You can always go back to the video and just make sure that you are on the same page with me tomorrow. Tomorrow I will calm down for everyone so that we are going to, really be on the same page. And we are going to, because tomorrow is very important. That is where, today we are just doing the general setup. Tomorrow is when we are really going to design stuffs. So please make sure you are exactly at this point tomorrow. Do you understand? The point where we stop today, please make sure you are at that point tomorrow. It's very, very important. I can't overstress this. Make sure you watch the video, sit down, watch the video, and sit down, watch the video, and Lulu Adeyemi is enjoying the class. Thank you. All right, sit down, watch the video, and yeah, and practice and get to the same point so that we can do stuff together. All right. So these are some of the best teams that are around. Popular FX, LO Elementor, Ocean WP, and the one we are going to be using. My favorite one, the one that I use most, and I think is kind of like the best right now, because it is free. It is free and it also has a lot of functionality. It is Ocean WP. Ocean WP. Do you understand? It is Ocean WP, and I will recommend it anywhere. It's the best general purpose theme that there is right now, and it is free. The free version has a lot of functionality, guys. So, and also if you want to follow through with this, class, make sure this is the one you install. You can use this one to create e-commerce. You can use it to create anything. Do you understand? Just make sure you install this particular theme, right? So if you want to get it, you can just come to search. Just search for Ocean WP. And again, I'm telling you, make sure it is Ocean WP that you install. Just search for Ocean WP, and let's allow it to load a little bit. Oh, okay, unexpected, whatever. Let's try again. I don't know, am I having network issues? Alright guys, you get the point. Just search Ocean WP. So once you search Ocean WP, it's going to pop it up. I think it is the update that is available that is giving me headache and issues like this, or maybe it's my network, who knows. So just go ahead and install. Click on install on Ocean WP. Alright, just click on just click on an unexpected error, something WordPress installation failed. Yeah, it's normal. Just click on it again. It might be due to network issues or something, but just try and click on it again. If you're having the same issue, it's normal. Sometimes it does that, and that's basically or mainly because we are on local host. Do you understand? It might be giving you this kind of issue. Sometimes you just need to refresh, or maybe if this issue persists, maybe that's because of the fact that I have not upgraded to the latest version of WordPress. And if that is the issue, I'm probably going to end here so that we can continue from here tomorrow. Do you understand? So that I will do the upgrading. I can do the updating. So once I update, I'm not going to have this issue anymore. Do you understand? I'm not going to have this issue anymore. So it is probable that we can just, alright. I don't have a laptop, but I can do the localhost on my phone. Okay. Well, no problem. If you want to do the localhost on your phone, do the localhost on your phone. But really, I'm teaching this class so that you'll be able to create a professional website for people and you get paid. And if you want to do that, you can't be using your phone. You need a laptop and you need to follow, my step-by-step instruction. Do you understand? So yeah, that's good. So so as I was saying, I'm going to upgrade my website. I'm updating this thing so that when I finish updating it, it's going to allow me to install Ocean WP. But this is what I'm going to tell you guys. Immediately after you get to the point where where I got to now, where I had to update my website, make sure you install Ocean After you have successfully installed Ocean WP, then we are on the same page, then we can start together tomorrow. All right, that's very good. So I guess we can stop the class here. We're going to continue tomorrow, but before you start, remember what I told you guys about the advanced course, right? It is totally 100% optional. This class is for free, but you're not paying a dime for this class. But if you want to join, I actually have a 10 slot. That's what the sponsorship can cover. Do you understand? I have a 10 slot for people such that it can take this 200, this 20,000 away, and then you'll be able to get it for 5,000. 413. You can see that this is a definite number. This is a definite number. I really calculated it based on the amount of the sponsorship and the amount the discount will be able to cover just for 10 people. Do you understand? Just for 10 people per class. The first web design class, 10 people. Second web design class, 10 people. Till the sixth one. This is currently the sixth one. Still 10 people. Do you understand? So, yeah. So, God bless you. If you really get it, I would really be happy if you guys get this. If you get this, congratulations to you, and we can start working together, and you can join my mentorship group where we work. We work together. This is my mentorship group. Do you understand? I would really love to show you what guys are doing. I'm really we are working together everywhere. I see this guy. This guy just created. He just finished creating his own web design, web design consultancy company, and he created this video. He created this video for his advertisements or something. So we are really doing amazing stuffs here. Do you understand? We are doing amazing stuffs together here, and okay. I hope this thing loads so that I can show you the testimony of one of my previous students that that got a client that will pay her about 110,000 naira. I don't know why everything is slowing down, but you all get the point. Okay, but you get the point. Okay, this is the lady. Anyways, so today's class was a success. This class is a success, and I'm happy. So tomorrow, guys, I'm telling you, please make sure you have gotten to where we have gotten to. Do you understand? All right. Okay. Yeah. This is the girl. Don't mind me. Okay. This is the girl. All right. This is the girl. I think I sent you the screenshot on the group before yesterday. So she just got someone to pay her now 109,500 naira. Do you understand? Which is kind of very good, and she will only be spending about 10,000 naira on domain and hosting, which is very good. I'm also going to be helping her to. I actually helped her to write a proposal. I helped her to do the costing and everything. So that's what you are going to be getting if you will be working with me. And I mean, it's not really about the money that you are going to use to purchase the course. That's not really what I'm about. I'm much more concerned about the partnership that we are going to form in the future. If you are very good now, like if you are really good, if you are really good, we can work together. Me and you can work together, and me and you can work together, and we can do jobs together. And you can, if I get a job worth of let's say 400k or something, I can give it to you. I get 200k, you get 200k. It's win-win. Do you understand? We are not trying to be greedy here. Oh, okay. My network is bad. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay, very good.
Yes.
My network got bad for a little while. Do you understand? And please, I'm just very sad that this will only be open to just 10 people. Yeah, that's what I can do, since I'm not Father Christmas. I'm not $10 son. I can't sponsor more than 10 people. Do you understand? So yeah, just try as much as possible to see. I'm going to drop the link, but I want to do that. I'm going to do that tomorrow or maybe later tonight. I'm going to drop the link so that you guys can take advantage of it. And it is already pre-programmed. It is automatic. Everything on Nova University is automatic. that's been pre-programmed. Immediately after the 10th person apply the code and uses the code, it will automatically stop working. Do you understand? So I'm probably going to do it tomorrow, all right? Because I want to give a leveled ground for everybody. I want to give a leveled ground for everybody. Do you understand? I mean, imagine. Let me just show you this again. Sure, you did not see it, Ni. Check this out. See how beautiful this is. Do you understand? And I got $1,500 for this. Maybe you need me to calculate it for you. Let's go to dollar to naira today. That's not even on black market. That's on normal exchange rate market, right? That's on normal exchange rate market. That's $1,500 is how much? Let's wait for it to load up. Alright, $1,500 is about 600k. Do you understand? Just for one website, for God's sake, 600k. As if that is even small. I just got one startup company. One startup company reached out to my, to Eden's Digital. Reached out to us, and we drafted a proposal. Where is that proposal, Seth? We drafted a proposal. Okay, this is the proposal. And we drafted a proposal. And the proposal, I think I show you guys now. Have I shown you guys? I'm not sure if I've shown you guys, but what I'm saying is that you are getting under the mentorship of someone that is really practicing this. And if you are lucky enough to work with me, I can take you where you need to go if you really, really want to make something out of it. Do you understand? And also, if you want to be able to build your own website, you want to use it to advance your own business by yourself, it is perfect for you as well. So let me show you. This is what the proposal look like. I'm also going to be teaching you how to create your own proposal, because I used to tell people, in any business that you are doing, especially in this web design business, you are first a businessman before you are a designer. You have to understand the business first. You have to be able to convince clients. You have to be able to, write proposals like this. Even if they call you even if you place online advertisements and then they call you and then you say, you have to be able to convince them, and so that they will know that you know what you are doing. I mean, how can you expect people to pay you 600k, 700k, something like that, and you don't know what you're doing? Sorry? Is someone saying something? Is someone saying something? Can you guys hear me?
Your screen is not showing.
My screen is showing. I'm still sharing my screen.
The screen is showing. Maybe you did not pin him.
Please, maybe you did not pin me. My screen is showing. Do you understand? So this is a copy of the proposal. Okay, this is a copy of the proposal that that we sent them, because I'm running. This is a copy of the proposal. These are some of the things that we this initial planning, wireframing, mockup, copy and graphics development, testing, development, and other kind of stuffs. And this is the portfolio of what we've done before and the people that we've worked with before. Toyota Nigeria, we even worked with Toyota Nigeria at some point like that. Serious, like mad money, about 1.2 million naira then. Do you understand? To do this for them, all right? We worked with Toyota Nigeria then, and this is a company that I started with with two other people. You understand? Myself, Mr. Zama, and Mr. Shegun. You understand? Mr. Shegun is the business guy, is the one adding the business part. Mr. Zama is the one doing the graphic design, the logo design, and all. And me, I'm doing the website. I'm building the web. I'm doing the website. Do you understand? So we worked with Toyota Nigeria. Then we got about 1.2 then, and also all this kind of website and other stuff. And Ibukun Awosika. Please, how many of you know Ibukun Awosika? Do you know who Ibukun Awosika is? Guys, who knows who Ibukun Awosika is?
No.
Who knows who Ibukun Awosika is? Okay, you need to know Ibukun Awosika. Let me Google.
She's the MD and CEO of First Bank.
Yeah, CEO of First Bank, for God's sake. Ibukun Awosika. Do you understand? She's a businesswoman, she's a mother, she's an actress, she's a motivational speaker, and she's the she's the chairman, she's the chairperson, she's the chairman of the board of directors of First Bank. Do you understand? And yeah, we did web development for our personal website. Do you understand? So we did web development for our personal website. This is our portfolio, and we are costing this particular people that we want to send this to. We are costing them 1.4 million naira. Do you understand? We are costing them 1.4 million naira. Please mute your microphone. Who is that? Please mute your microphone, please. Please mute your microphone. We are costing them 1.4 million naira, and yeah, this is pretty good. We are costing them 1.4 million naira. So yeah, now I'm showing you this so that you will know that this is not beans. Do you understand? And the reason why I actually really wanted to do this, why I want people to jump on this as quick as possible, is because we are getting a lot of work, and the workload is getting too much for only me to handle. And I need to build capable people that are capable, people that I know that yes, if I give Ibukun Awosika's job to you or Toyota's job to you to do, I know that you are not going to fuck me up, you are not going to mess me up, because I am the one that trained you myself. I trained you myself. I know that you are good enough. Do you understand? So that I know that if I get job from Dangote Group, or I get job from from Tantalizer or Mr. Biggs or all those big brands, I know that if I give you the job to do for me, you're not going to do rubbish, and you're not going to spoil my business name. And I can be sure of that because I am the one that trained you myself. I can attest to your skills, and that can only happen if you've gone through my program and you are in my mentorship group, and I'm teaching you every day. Do you understand? I know that I'm teaching every Friday. I'm downloading as much knowledge into your head. You understand? And this is like a one part-time course enrollment. After you are done, all the mentorship you are going to be getting from me, perfectly free for the rest of your life. Do you understand? This is not even about the money. This is not about the course. It's about the fact that I want to reach out to as much people as possible. And the best way to be able to do that is through, a course that you can take on your own. Do you understand? So this is kind of like the beginning of your journey with me. If you want to go through this journey with me, this is just the beginning. Finishing the course on Nova University, the advanced course on Nova University, is just the beginning. Do you understand? I know the funniest thing, the people that are getting it for 20,000 naira, they are not going to get personal mentorship with me, because those are just random people, from my partners that are getting that course on their own. It is you guys that are getting, those 10 people that will be lucky enough to apply the discount code that will enter into this mentorship program. 10 people, nothing but 10 people. I'm not taking more than 10. Do you understand? Jesus Christ only had 12 disciples. See, they almost killed him. I'm not taking more than 10. Do you understand? That's all. Then after 10 people, after it is those 10 people that I'm going to work with. And let me tell you the truth. It is, in fact, those 10 people that take it, not all of you will take it seriously. Some people will not take, I'm talking from experience, some people will not take it seriously. Maybe only about 3 or 4 of you will take it seriously, and that is the people that I'm ready to work with. But I know that for you guys to stick around till now, listening to me talk, while some others, while they have japa, for you to be listening to me, for you to be talking with me right now, it means you really understand the value that is in this thing that I'm talking to you about. We have about 100 and something people on the group, and only about 19 of you are here listening to me right now. Some guys are not here. I think you really understand the gravity, and you understand the you understand the value that this class can give you. But it is such a pity. I'm very sorry, not every one of you will be able to do it. Only 10 people. And I told you it is automated. If you come to my DM and beg me, there's nothing I can do for you. Do you understand? I'm going to reserve the rest, because I'm still having a 7th class. I'm still having a 8th class and 9th class, and all of them are going to get 10, 10, 10. I can't extend this so that it will go and affect the other 7th and 8th and 9th class. Do you understand? So, thank you very much. I'm serious. I can talk. Okay. I just got a message right now that it is past 8:15. I actually had it in mind to stop by 8:15, but then don't mind me. So I guess we should end this class right now. I am going to process the video, and I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. I'm going to have to compress the video first, so that it won't take a lot of space. After I compress it, After I compress it, I'm going to send it to my YouTube channel, so that other people that are not on this call, because I had know that a lot of people, they told me that they are going to church. Some people told me that they are doing this, they are doing that, they are driving and all that kind of stuff. Their network is not good, so I'm going to compress it and upload it to my YouTube channel. I will share you the link. And if you do anything, don't miss tomorrow's class. If you do anything, don't miss tomorrow's class, and don't be lost in tomorrow's class, please. Make sure you watch the video and you get to where we are. All right. God bless you, everyone. Have a good night. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, everyone. Take care. For you guys that you understand Yoruba, Odabo.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.
Oh, thank you.
We really
I
appreciate you. So thank you.
I appreciate you too. God bless you.
Appreciate you too. God bless you.